Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly. We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture. We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wrigley here with this week's Principals Report. Well, last term we kicked off term 3 in a big way. Our Year 3s started the term by making a splash with their swimming program, and then our Year 6s headed off to camp last Wednesday for the second half of the week. And what an experience that was. They had outdoor challenges and teamwork and plenty of laughs, and camp is always such a special time. So it was really a chance to step outside your comfort zone a little bit, make some wonderful memories with friends and teachers for that final year of primary school. And a very big thank you to all of our staff and our parent helpers who came along to make that camp possible. We're so glad that you had such a wonderful time, Year 6. This week, it's been the Year 2's term to head off to the swimming program, and they've been doing an amazing job learning lots of new skills and building their confidence and showing great persistence in and around the water. So well done, Year 2's. And this week, we have also welcomed the dental van to our school. This is such a fantastic service that helps keep our smiles healthy and strong. And we're looking after our teeth is so important, so it's great to see lots of students taking advantage of the opportunity to go and visit the dental van. Now, for something very exciting coming up. Our Colour Explosion Fun Run is just 3 weeks away on Friday, the 15th of May. This is one of the best and biggest and brightest and most colourful events on our school calendar for the year, and we can't wait for everyone to get involved. So a big reminder to all students and families, jump online, create your fundraising profile. Our goal is for every student to raise at least $20, and I know that we can do it. There are some super cool prizes up for grabs, and here is the best part. The more money you raise, the more super cool prizes you get to choose. So start spreading the word, sharing your page, get your parents to share your page. Remember, safe fundraising only with people that you know. We are not going door knocking. So let's see how much we can raise together as a school community. We're looking to buy some more decodable readers right throughout the school, which is such a really important resource for our school. So make sure you get fundraising so that you can get those prizes. Well done to everyone for such a really positive and energetic start to the term. It's been wonderful to see so much enthusiasm and effort and school spirit already. And let's keep that momentum going over the next few weeks. So whether it's in the classroom or you're off swimming or you're fundraising or just being a kind and supportive member of our school community, let's see how well we can do this term. Have a wonderful week, everyone.
Now that's a reaction.
Welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Sahaj.
And I'm Atab.
And today we'll be talking with Shanuji from 4P. And now head on to the questions. What job do you want to do when you grow up?
A doctor.
Great one. What is your favorite subject at school?
Maths.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Telekinesis.
Could you explain what telekinesis is?
It's something you lift with your hands with like powers like that.
What is something new you learned at school this year?
Geography.
What have you learned in geography?
Like Australia, like resources and stuff.
If you were stranded on an island, what is one thing you would take with you?
My bed.
Same.
If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
Sri Lanka.
Okay. Who is someone you look up to?
My brother.
Why?
Because he has an exam coming up.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Pasta bolognese.
Nice. What is 3 words that best describe you?
Kind, friendly, and loyal.
Okay. If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
A panda because they're cute and fluffy and stuff.
Okay. Thank you for your time, Shanudri, and stay tuned for more student talks. Bye.
Hi, this is Sahajan Saranjan speaking with the Robotics Club. We have Gabriel, Vadik, Heli, Nitin, Bizad, and Frazad. Nitin, can you tell us a bit about the robotics group?
We are a selected group from Year 5 who meet each week and build robots. We started last year.
Bizad, what have you been doing in the robotics so far?
We have been planning for the competition in August and we have been learning to build and code robots.
What do you guys like most about the robotics?
What I like most about robotics is how we build our robots with Lego and how we code them by ourselves.
I like the coding and the challenge.
I like building and competition.
I love the fact that we can bring our imagination to life.
I love challenges, building, and coding.
I like the fact that it's challenging.
Vadik, what has been the highlight so far of being part of the robotics group?
We went to a robotics competition a few weeks ago. We went to a workshop, working in a group and collaborating.
Gabriel, what challenges have you faced so far?
Nothing, but we're ready for whatever comes at us.
Heli, can you tell us about the competition you are working towards and your plan for it?
We are entering a competition in August, the Robot Cup Junior, doing it on stage performance with our built and coded robots. One group is doing badminton performance.
And me and my team are doing a soccer performance.
Fazad, why should other students join robotics?
So that we can be more creative and share our ideas with each other and work together to make our ideas come to life.
Well, good luck with your competition on August.
Bye.
Hello, this is Mrs. Perkins reporting live for CEPS News. It has come to our attention recently that many students have been out of bounds. I have some assistant reporters here and we are going to show you the out of bounds areas across the school. So don't play out of bounds.
Don't play in out of bounds areas because they are unsupervised. Let's follow the school rules so we can have a fun time at school.
CEPS needs reporting. See you later.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud, and we'll see you next week. Bye.